The Princess and the Pea by Hans Christian Andersen from 1835. Once upon a time, there was a prince. The prince wanted to marry a princess. The princess had to be a real princess. The prince traveled the world to find a real princess. There were lots of princesses, but it was hard to know if they were real princesses. There was always something that was not quite right. The prince came home again and felt sad. He wished he could find a real princess. One evening, there came a terrible storm. There was thunder and lightning and heavy rain. Suddenly, there was a knocking at the gate. The old king went to see who it was. It was a princess standing there. She was wet and shivering. She said, "Please, let me come in and get warm. I am a real princess." The old queen decided to find out if the young lady was telling the truth. She went into the royal guest bedroom and arranged the bed by secretly putting one pea under the mattress of the bed. Then she piled up 19 other mattresses on the bed to make 20 mattresses high. That night, the princess slept on top of all those mattresses. In the morning, the queen asked her, "Did you sleep well?" The princess replied, "Oh no, I slept so badly. There was something so hard and uncomfortable in the mattress, and I am sore all over." Now they knew she was a real princess because she had felt the little pea right through all 20 mattresses. Nobody but a real princess could be as sensitive as that. So the prince and the princess were happily married, and the pea was put in a museum where it may still be seen if nobody has eaten it. The end.